Hello back everyone. Let's continue on to the topic of gut health, and today we will focus more on the gut microbiome, what I mentioned just a little bit in the previous video. So gut microbiome is a community of about 10 trillion of microbial species that sitting in our gut, in our digestive system, and consists of bacteria, virus, parasites, fungus, different species. And what we want is really a much bigger variety of species that we have in our microbiome. What is very important also to, as I mentioned last time, the beneficial species should be prevalent, should be in about 80-85%, and non-beneficial species of the bacteria should be in a lower 15%. Very important to understand that it's really, your gut microbiome is a reflection of your DNA, and the first microbiome that you acquire is once you are born. And later on, that microbiome community influence with your diet, with the environmental toxins, emotional health, and stress. So could be changeable during your life. What gut microbiome does? Why it's so important? It breaks down and absorbs nutrients from the food that we eat, communicates with the brain and the immune system, produces sex hormones, producing the brain chemicals, messages, neurotransmitters, processing the waste, extracts calories from the food, and controls weight gain and loss, removes used hormones from the body, and manages inflammation. So if we have an imbalanced gut microbiome, inflammation will go up. And when we have an increased inflammation in the body, that we know what comes after that. That's many symptoms, and over the period of time, many chronic diseases could be developed due to increased inflammation. So balancing our gut microbiome is very, very important task for each one of you if you want to have optimal wellness and health.